So here's new app called Apple Invites, and you can use it as an app, but for that you need to upgrade to iOS 18 and you need to have iCloud Plus. But also uh, for Android devices or for other devices, you can use it via iCloud.com. Still, you need to have iCloud Plus subscription. Or in my case, I just have iOS 17. I don't want to upgrade yet to iOS 18. And then basically, then in here in iCloud.com, you just scroll to the bottom and then you have iCloud Invites. And with this app, you can create invitations for all your events. Sending invitations is only possible with iCloud Plus, so it's a paid option, but everyone can receive invitations, Android, Apple, everyone. So you just create an event, and then also what else? You can like share photo albums, add photos from this event, share playlists, manage participants. So it's quite a nice, interesting. So event name. So you just add in like this, date and time. You just add in address. Then you can just then you can also create shared album. You can create shared playlists. You can see additional guests. You can select to show background image or delete an event. And then you can just preview and then invite guests. Additional guests plus 5 guests. Why? Okay, so that's at least that. And then so then I can just publish it, for example. And then I can just invite with a public link. So I just copy that. I can choose a guest. And then I can select to approve guests as well. So then I can just choose send a one-time link to a single guest. Or you can just copy this link and share it to your friends. And then you can manage your guests from here. So kind of interesting. You can then also duplicate event. And so, yep, that's the idea of the app. Quite cool. Again, I just using it on the web on iCloud.com. So that's it.